Hi, logo. Oh, today Western.
Yeah. No, today I cooked the healthy series food.
Okay.
So,
Oh, very nice.
it's an air fried.
Air fried lah. Air fried was the advantage. I take away the oil, all that,
Yeah.
whatever meat.
Reduce the oil. Air fried
Chicken lah.
crispy red fermented
Red fermented
tofu.
or beancurd lah.
Yeah.
That's a very Chinese lah. So it's a bit like East meets West lah. The Western style. Because I actually like the fried chicken also, but outside I think a lot of time they are, you don't know what they put in, and then sometimes too oily or whatever. So air fried seems like a very good alternative lah. So this one, the smell is very good lah.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
And also tastes very nice.
Is it take a long time this one? Or this one Western I know it take for you.
You just marinate for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And then use the air fryer using 180 degrees Celsius for 23 minutes.
23 minutes. It sounds like quite simple.
Yeah, very simple.
It smells very good.
Good.
So I think this is the Western style. So everyone already have. Most of us already have this. This one very nice. Of course, those people who like chili sauce, you can put chili sauce, but I think we also try to cut down on sugar and all this. Wow.
And I serve with the garden salad.
Oh yeah. It's a very healthy dish. And then chicken being a white meat, and then we want to cut down on carbohydrate, need the protein. This is very good. Yeah, good with salad.
Our son loves it so much.
You can imagine. Wow, this is very nice.
It's good for them.
I think the umami taste, and then I said the beancurd give it just a touch. It doesn't not. It's just enough to give you a hint of the smell.
See, no oil.
The fragrance is actually quite different. Oh, I like the taste also. It's not like salty. It's not. It's like have a very rich, savory taste.
And you see, it's still very juicy.
Yeah. So I think that's the advantage of air fryer. So look, it's a good alternative to those people who like fried chicken and want a healthy alternative. I think this would be a very good dish to try out. Wow, you're right. Look at the chicken, very juicy.
Yeah. It's for busy people. I mean, they can marinate overnight, and then when they come back from work, they just put inside the fridge.
Yeah, it's very nice. Thanks very much for cooking this. This one is I try when they do with other meat, pork, and then the fermented tofu give a very savory taste. And this one I think it matched very well with this. But we mix with other basic condiments also lah. Soya sauce,
Yeah, oyster sauce, Chinese wine, Shaoxing Huatiao.
Beautiful. Oh, Shaoxing Huatiao also, the bit of Chinese wine. Can't cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks very much for cooking.
You're welcome.
Love it. Wow, refreshing.
What drink is this?
Soda water and a dash of pomegranate, and then a bit of a mint soda water.
Thank you.